Statistics is the science concerned with the collection, organization, analysis, and interpretation of data to draw meaningful conclusions. Data are an unorganized collection of measurements, counts, or observations and represent the fundamental element of statistics. Statistics employs various methods and tools to transform data into useful information. Data naturally contain variation, which is the observed difference between two measurements, counts, or observations. Variation is the source of patterns, trends, and relationships within data and can be statistically significant or insignificant. Statistics helps determine whether variation is statistically significant, providing stronger evidence for conclusions and distinguishing meaningful patterns from random fluctuations. Statistics forms the foundation of experimental design by offering systematic ways to plan studies, control variation, and identify cause and effect relationships. This enables the evaluation of the impact of different factors systematically and supports informed decision-making under uncertainty.